Thanks for joining in today. We're going to be making homemade bread. You're going to need 4 cups of flour and 1 3/4 cup of water. I'm going to start with placing the salt inside our flour. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of yeast into our water and 1 teaspoon of cane sugar to get the yeast activated. Stir gently and let the mixture sit for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to start using my mixer for the dough, so slowly add the yeast into the flour. We're going to be mixing the dough for about 10 minutes. Use your spoon to remove any dough if it starts to stick in the center. After about 10 minutes, the dough should be ready. Drizzle some extra virgin olive oil on it. And we're going to knead it lightly. Please remember to cover the bowl and let the dough rise for a few hours. As the dough rises, it will double its size. It looks like the dough is ready, so I'm going to drizzle some olive oil onto a pan and cut a small piece of the dough so I can make small little bread pieces. I'm going to cover the bread pieces with olive oil. I'm making small round rolls. My son loves these. Remember to preheat the oven at 450 degrees. And when the oven is ready, then you can start baking. Bake the bread for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's golden brown. And here it is. Allow the bread to cool and serve. I hope you liked my video today. If you did, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.